He's the pervert number one. You know what I'm saying, right? Nah.
It's a kind person, yeah.
Get up, put the money, cause I got people right here with me now. I got a line next to me and Erlene next to me. Look at you there on the TV. Yeah, you see me.
That's fun.
I know.
That's quite fun.
Okay, so I got it now.
I'll give him
I check. I'm playing this thing.
All local units. There is a hacker with a spider drone in your area. Please respond.
Oh snap!
Control, we are pursuing the suspect. Over.
I'm putting an end to this. Over.
Need backup.
Oh, come on! Where you gonna do this? Oh,
Control, we are pursuing the target.
oh snap! Check. Ooh.
Please take whatever you want.
The hostage is in here. Let's get her out.
What do I do?
All units, we are after the suspect.
Yes.
Officer in critical condition. Critical. Over. Oh, hell.
I gotta find the keys.
Vas a meter por mi subir.
Spider, knock it down.
I can hijack something. So now. Oh, Spider got a bill.
¿Usas la foto? Linda.
There. That does it.
Control, we are pursuing the suspect.
Erika.
I don't want to go.
No, la foto. Oh, Erica naked. Oh, Jesus.
Naked.
She was on bikini. She was on bikini. Yeah.
Control, I've lost sight of the target. Over.
Yeah, she was on bikini. Well, Nisha was on soutien too.
Terminating pursuit.
Yeah.
Coming back.
You all were freaks up once upon a time, Nerlin. They all were all freaks. Yeah. Only right now they changing a little bit. Don't know why. Yeah. These girls were freaks. Yeah. Yeah.
Help me.
I'm gonna help you. Wait. Where's that guy? There's one guy still here. Yeah.
Yeah. One Hawaiian et puis l'autre quoi?
Yeah, man. Je discrimine pas.
Quelle saveur tu parles? C'est des bonnies? 2022 là, c'est de $2.
Just get dollars, though.
$2.
No, I fight what? I gotta yeah. This I need to open that thing right there, right?
Please.
Read the thing. Yeah, exactly. Oh snap.
There's a Mundo.
Please. Help.
Start again.
No. No, I cannot.
Help me.
All units, proceed to alarm location.
I know, but it's good. You see now the units are coming to a nigga.
Sierra 4-2, Sierra 4-2, this is control. An alarm has been activated near you. Survey the area.
Right, get her out.
Doing a search.
About the
What
basic.
triggered the alarm? Drone, begin search.
Screw that. What? Oh. Oh. Why you not moving? Damn, it's a drone. Alan. Come here. He's in tips.
Français, c'est 32.
Huh?
Moi, je veux pas dire.
Moi non plus.
Moi, juste pour aller. Moi, je veux pas dire, ok? Moi, juste pour...
Les deux, là.
Good work. Come on, man. Is she coming? Okay, good. Now where we go? Right here. Come here, come here, come here. Is she coming? Come on, man. Yes, let's go. We're on the streets. So what do I do?
C'était de l'eau là.
De l'autre. You want a drink?
Me? Yeah, you can give me a nasty.
Yeah.
I don't see anyone following you.
We found your friend in an Albion cell. They're free now, so you should be hearing from them soon.
You're joking. Fuck, cuz. Hey, I'll pay you back somehow, don't worry.
People like us with particular skills. We have a responsibility. You should join that sec.
Yeah, why not? I'm in.
I got the Rasta guy. Look, this is the guy now. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, no, I got. My team is there's more black people than anybody.
More badass folks like you should join us. If you know anyone.
See,
Damn
that's
right.
us.
Man's ready to tear it
Yeah.
up.
Great.
For your security, citizens should avoid
So
non-essential
you're
travel.
like,
Oh yeah. Now I'm this dude right here. Oh, he's cool as hell. No, I found him. Yeah, you actually you get to recruit people. I can play with multiple people, right? So and recruit them and stuff like that, and get to the mission. Okay, let's do this. Let's just save ours. That's right. Nothing don't like video game. Video game is good. You don't like.
oh,
Young Rico, what's up? Let me change the video game. I'm gonna put Tekken so that we can beat each other. Ah, Erica, don't be shy. Oh, you're gonna learn today. Wait. Oh, Gid, I probably gotta download the new one, eh?
you?
Yeah. Let me download the new one since I wanted to play that thing anyway. So yeah, let these people play right here and see their reactions. Yeah. Tekken. Hold on. I'll download it for you guys. Okay, let me see if my guy got normal clothes. Oh, he's actually a doctor, Gida. Yeah, he's actually no. That's blue is what for so,
Okay, what's this?
nah, it's a crime CAI, yeah, CSI, yeah, crime scene investigation, yeah. He's actually a doctor, man. Look at Dr. Kizomba there. Yeah. He got big feet too, Gida. Yeah.
What size?
You already know. Look at this nigga right there. Yeah. I'm gonna keep the doctor. Yeah, but the doctor is cooler like this. Fuck that. Oh snap. Yeah. Okay. Just like that without. No, I like. Yeah, because right now he's carrying his drone. That's why he have the bag. Yeah.
Oh, he has a bag?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's a backpack. You wanna meet my crew? This is my crew right here, guys. Hold on, let me show all of us. We are a lot now. You know. Look. That's my crew. Yeah, nigga. That's the crew, yeah. That's an assassin. The guy right there is an assassin. This guy's an assassin. Let me see. Yeah. This guy is a this one is a hacker. This is like a shooter. She's really cool. She's a mercenary. This my boy. He's a construction worker. She also oh, she's the black girl with the thing on the face. Yeah. Wait, oh yeah, this is yo, the team is getting huge, man. I even forgot. Oh snap. Yeah, that's the whole thing. Yeah, that's the whole crew. There's more people though. I'm all of them. Yeah. That's the game I can switch and be anyone. Yeah. This is one of the really like actually best games right now. So
Like they have superpowers and such?
no, so shooting. You gotta be good in something, nigga. You good in drones, you good in some, you good in it's just like that. So whoever is good on something is gonna get something. You know what I'm talking about? And then the mission is for everybody. And you can switch people in the middle of the mission.
Yeah.
Not,
So depending